Viewers, welcome to my channel. I create a video flower arrangement ideas at home with love quotes. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love conquers all. You are my everything. In you, I've found my forever. Love never fails. You are my greatest adventure. Together is my favorite place to be. To love and be loved is everything. I am yours forever. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. You are the reason I smile. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. I found my home in your heart. You complete me. My heart is and always will be yours. You are my sunshine on a cloudy day. All of me loves all of you. We loved with a love that was more than love. Your love is my treasure. You're my kind of perfect. Love is friendship set on fire. You are the missing piece to my puzzle. Love is the key to happiness. You are my heart's song. Forever and always, you and me. You are my today and all my tomorrows. Your love is my greatest gift. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. I fall for you every day. You're the one I've been waiting for. Love is the bridge between two hearts. You are my happily ever after. You make my heart skip a beat. You are my greatest strength and my biggest weakness. You're the love I never saw coming. I choose you over and over.